Assalamualaikum and hi. Thank you very much for still with my channel and watching this video. So, actually, for this video, I would like to continue about the overview on the industrial automations. But for this video, I will continue with these the support equipments. So, as we can see here, we have about four basic elements in the industrial automation support equipment, which is automatic storage, conveyors, hard automation devices, and also palletizers. Actually, hard automation devices and palletizers is actually is the ones system, because palletizer can be categorized as one of the hard automation devices. Okay, so for the support equipments and automatic storage, they have actually these systems are the storage systems. Okay, so the storage and the retrieval system. So actually this system is set up in the raw materials area or the finishing part, like inventory part, and also at the complete product area, which is also in the area of the quality controls and quality assurance department. Okay, and also for the conveyors, is actually the support systems, like the belt system, the railway systems that bring the products or pass the products from one point to another point, or between the cells and the process, the next process of the products, especially for the case of filtering, processing, and packaging. Okay, and these systems equipped with the simple sensors, barcode readers, or the like obstacle sensors, or maybe vision systems to increase the efficiencies of the product detections. Okay, and another one, maybe the current conveyor system consists of the information system, like a networking system for the database, or the IoT's elements in the conveyors or the process of the products. Okay, so another one is hard automations. Hard automation, as we discussed in the previous video in part 1, is actually can become one of the support equipment, because the hard automation, as you understand, that the hard automation is among the tools, like tools for the robots at the manufacturer, or the tools for the machines, like to process or to fabricate some of the products. Okay, and palletizers. So palletizer also can become one of the tools, because of one of the hard automation, because of the specific for one job, or one task events. So palletizers is very common in the cell, work cell, and containing or bringing the multiple boxes, or the multiple products in one time pick and place process. Okay, so why it's become one of the hard automation device? Because these kind of devices is actually equipped on the product devices, like robot manufacturers, or part of the machines tools. Okay, and the support equipment also containing the control devices. Okay, as we know that a standard control devices is a PLCs, which is commonly used in the cell controller or as a controller for each devices. Okay, so maybe some of the PLCs containing I think most of the current PLC products containing the IoT support for the controller networking or CAN, or maybe for the widely control using the wireless control through Ethernet. Okay, and also the advance of the IT technologies in the current ages makes the PLC more advanced, more a long haul daily operational or the long haul remote controlling. Okay, so for the case of pneumatics and hydraulic system, they have their own logic system, and I think most of the hydraulic and pneumatic systems has been enhanced with electro valve, electro version, like electro hydraulic and electro pneumatic systems. Okay, so that is easy for the controller like a PLC to be integrated. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and following my channel for the next part of this video that's cover about the design of industrial automation systems. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum.